inside. I'm ready for you now.
Wait.
Oh, because there's a sticker on there.
There is
Well, great.
a water bottle. I thought it was bath bombs because it smelled like.
It's not, well, it can be for water, but it can also be for coffee. It's just like my cup.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just a coffee bottle? That sounds weird.
You're weird.
I know.
Oh. Wait a second. There was something else in that small box. I mean, that small bag. Yeah. It might have been inside the paper.
Oh. Petite.
You have to open it up to see what's inside it.
Temporary tattoo.
But you have to see what they look like. Let me see.
Oh, they're butterflies.
They're so cute. And the decorations came with tattoos. So now you've got plenty.
Mm-hmm.
You like that cup?
Oh my god. Latch kits? I just asked you for this.
Yes, you did.
Is that more latch kits?
Yeah.
You like it?
Well, holy crap, it comes with so many.
Well, look, it's like a mini rug. I figured
Whoa.
since you liked doing it, I got you a big one. Don't open it now.
Okay.
Isaac! What do you say? What do you say?
Delicioso.
Okay. Seriously.
That just like
It's
ruins the whole.
No, it's Isaac. It didn't ruin anything. Careful with that. Stop it, please, Isaac.
She remembered who she was and then the game changed. Aww. Aw, thank you.
You're welcome.
You want to see the back?
Well, I did write it, but sure. Turn it around. Let me see the back. Very cool. Yeah, I picked out that print and that frame and put it together for you. I thought it would be something nice to hang in your room or underneath your bed on the wall so you can see it when you're laying in bed going to sleep. Plus, your other gift was your second piercing.
Yeah.
So, happy birthday.
Thank you.
You like your gifts?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Wait, that's it?
His contribution. Bye.